Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening DevTools with F12 or Control plus Shift plus I. This immediately exposes the page structure and runtime. Once open, make sure to dock the panel where you can see both DOM and page. Click the Elements tab to inspect markup and the console to view errors. Use the Network tab to observe resource loading. You want to attach to the right frame. If the page uses iframes, select the correct context. These steps let you change and test live quickly. You now inspect and modify content. Edit HTML or CSS in Elements to prototype fixes, and press Enter to apply changes live. Once done, switch to Sources to set JavaScript breakpoints, step over, step into, and examine local and closure variables in the Scope panel to find logic issues. Make sure to use conditional breakpoints for noisy loops. In the Network tab, replay requests, view headers and payloads, and block resources to simulate slow or missing assets for targeted debugging. You finish by profiling and validating. Record a performance trace to identify long tasks and paint issues using the Performance panel, then run a Lighthouse audit to get actionable scores on accessibility, performance, and best practices. Once you implement fixes, clear cache and do a hard reload to verify changes. If problems persist, disable extensions and retest. Troubleshooting tip: if DevTools behaves oddly, close and reopen it. Then try incognito mode. This rules out cached state or extension interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.